Okay, so I got part 284C3M1b7c8e13c9c6d3p8. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p8. Artificial neural network formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. Here's the alien radio signal. And this is about neural networks in the core of the UFO spaceship engine, communications to deep space alien technology from the WOW data. So January 24th was when I was working on it. Today is the 29th of 2013. So the keywords start from the formula data to Google in the previous video. It was line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p7. Genetic algorithms nonlinear formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. So the previous video was the same as above. So that's where it starts. And the reason I did that is because there's a bunch of keywords that I had to make several videos for, like 10 of them. So the keyword for this one is, the first keyword was artificial neural network. So quote some of the diagrams from Wiki. It says input, hidden, output. And of course, my battery's running out of power already. I'm going to have to make 2 videos. Oh well. It looked like there was more power than I thought. So an artificial neural network is an interconnected group of nodes akin to the vast network of neurons in the human brain. And here's an and dependency graph. So it looks like there's a recurrent and dependency graph. And there's a graph of a paraboloid given by fxy equals, there's a math equation now. The global maximum at 0, 0, 4 is indicated by a red dot. See? Then we have January 24th, my thoughts. The graph of the paraboloid reminds me of a hyperspace, and there is a formula for that in the WOW lines 22 data. Keywords. Artificial networks. Neural networks is Anne's Google. So quote from Wiki, an artificial neural network, often just called a neural network, is a mathematical model inspired by biological neural networks. A neural network. I ran a battery power when I first started, so I'm going to go back to this video. Line 22 f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p8. Artificial neural network formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. So look, we were looking at the diagrams of the neural networks, and we stopped here when I did quote from Wiki. Artificial neural networks, ANDs. An artificial neural network, often just called a neural network, is a mathematical model inspired by biological neural networks. A neural network consists of an interconnected group of artificial neurons, and it processes information using a connectionist approach to computation. In most cases, a neural network is an adaptive system that changes its structure during a learning phase. Neural networks are used to model complex relationships between inputs and outputs or to find patterns in data. January 24th. The formula from keyword artificial neural networks and data. Artificial network, neural network, brain core UFO semiconductor power engine mathematical model. The standard model, new bosons and WOW data videos, 5 axial forces, formulas and WOW data. Biological neural networks, synapses, electronic impulses do the same in engine. Neural network, interconnected group, artificial neurons, process information, connectionist, computation, neural network, adaptive system, change structure, bendable metal formulas, and WOW. Data learning phase, neural network will be connected to bendable metals from core of engine, so machine thinks, reshapes itself for oncoming asteroids or comets, attacks for weapons, alien warfare to protect itself from other forces. Neural networks model complex relationships, ligands between inputs, outputs, find patterns in WOW data. Working on that one January 24th, 2013. Keywords start from the formula data to Google and previous videos start here. Line 22 f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p7. Genetic algorithms nonlinear formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. The previous video. The keywords are going to be recurrent and dependency graph in the next video. Sorry, I kind of repeated myself there. Okay, thanks for watching.